Hi, it's Rosalie Brown, and I just wanted to show you how easy it is to make my high protein waffles. As you can see, my waffle iron is already on and ready to go. I'm spraying it liberally with olive oil. 2 eggs, which I'm going to crack right into the measuring cup. 1, 2 eggs, and 1 scoop of protein powder. I do love the Optimum Nutrition brand. The vanilla casein seems to work in most of my recipes really, really well. Then you just grab your hand blender and mix that up. And make sure it's mixed really, really well. And then just stop it for a second, and I just like to sort of test to see how liquid it is. It seems a little bit thick, so I'm going to add just a drop or 2 of water just to make it sort of your waffle consistency. But all protein powders, note, do act differently. Some are waterier than others. So then you're just going to pour it right onto the griddle. It's gonna look great. Make sure you get it all. And again, this is such a great high protein breakfast or snack when you're feeling like having a little something, when you want to ramp up your protein intake for the day. And we're just gonna let that sit for about a minute or 2. All right, it's been about a minute and a half. Let's take a check. Oh, doesn't that look delicious? I'm just gonna peel that right off. Put it on my plate, throw on a few blueberries, and we are good to go. So again, you do have time to make a great high protein breakfast, lunch, or snack. And it's as easy as 2 eggs, 1 scoop of protein powder, and then your choice of topping. All right, guys, eat fit.